Hi, second grade. Today we're working on our cycle 2 opinion writing. Today you're going to need your blue writing folder, but you are also going to need a stuffy, a pencil, and I also want you to get some colored pencils or crayons or markers, and I want you to have the colors green and blue. So make sure you get all of these things before you start on your own. You can pause the video if you need to. Let's turn to page 17 and look and see what we're going to work on today. We are going to be doing day 3. Our topic is reasons. Our objective is I can identify reasons to support my opinion. I'm going to put a check to show that I'm going to get this done today. So last time we worked, we updated our topic sentence and made it stronger when we thought about who our audience was. I updated my original topic sentence from Cattown is the best place to adopt a cat to Cattown is the first place you should go to adopt a cat. I'm trying to convince people who want to adopt a cat to go to Cattown first. I had my reasons that I thought of yesterday. They care about the cats and they are fun to visit. My stuffy is going to be, his name is Barkley, and he is going to be someone that can read my topic sentence and think about answering the question. He's going to try and see. I'm going to try and convince him that this is the place to go to adopt a cat. So he's going to ask me questions. I'm going to go to my updated topic sentence. I'm going to have her read it. Cattown is the first place you should go to adopt a cat. Why should I go to Cattown first? Well, Barkley, you should go to Cattown first because they really care about the cats. Okay. Well, what else do they do? Why should I go there? I think you should also go there because it's really fun to visit. A lot of fun things to do there. Will I get there? Will I be able to get there? Yeah, it's actually in a really convenient spot. It's in downtown Oakland, so it should be really easy to get to. Okay. Ooh, I think that since I told Barkley that it's easy to get to, I should write that down too. That's another reason why maybe that's the first place you should go to. It's easy to get to. Okay, that might be another reason why someone might want to adopt a cat from Cattown. Okay, what else? Maybe he has some other questions. Let's see. What can I do when I go to Cattown? When you go to Cattown, Barkley, you can actually play with the cats. Oh, I think that might be another reason. You can play with the cats. Let's see. Well, why should I go to Cattown and get a cat there? Isn't it expensive? Actually, Barkley, they're a nonprofit. So that means they're not trying to make money off of it. They're just trying to help as many cats as possible. So it's not really expensive. And actually, you're helping a really important organization because they're a nonprofit. So that might be another reason. Take a note, someone. It's a nonprofit. They're not trying to make money. Okay. All right, so you should have your stuffy talk to you. Pretend like you're trying to convince your stuffy of your topic sentence. See if you can convince them and give them reasons why you believe in your topic sentence. So now that I did that, I'm going to think about which ones that I want to take from here and start to build my topic sentence or my paragraph from. So I think my reasons that make the most sense, that are really going to try and convince people that this is the first place they should go to adopt a cat, is that, well, I really think that they're fun to visit. I think people who are wanting to adopt a cat, they want to have a positive experience. So I think if it's a fun place to visit, that'll really convince them. I also think, yeah, they are a nonprofit, but maybe not everyone knows what that means. But by just saying they really care about the cats, I think that'll convince them that this is a good place to go. They're a good organization that really cares about the cats. So I'm going to write these two. I'm going to pick the first two that I thought of. You might end up doing that too, or you might even think of some better ones, but I'm going to pick the first two. And what I'm going to do is, and what you're going to do is, you're going to pick two of the reasons to focus on. We're going to expand them and give some details and examples for them. But first, we want to write them down here. This is on page 19. So I'm going to write my reason one here. My reason one is they care about the cats. I can't remember if I said they really care about the cats. I just wrote they care about the cats. And this time I'm going to put a period. It's a sentence. Okay. And then I'm going to turn to the next page, which is page 20. And I'm going to put my second reason here. They are fun to visit. They are fun to visit. Okay. You're probably wondering why I asked you to get those colored crayons or markers, whatever color material you're going to do. It's because I want us to start thinking about how we're building our paragraph. So we're going to start color coding it. When I'm working on my topic sentence, I should be underlining it green. So I'm going to make sure that when I start actually writing out my paragraph, that I'm following these color codes. So I'm going to underline my topic sentence green. Cat Town is the first place you should go to adopt a cat. It's kind of hard to see, but I got my green there. And then I'm going to underline my reasons blue. They care about the cats and they are fun to visit. Okay, so here's what you're going to do. You're going to turn back to page 18. You're going to have your stuffy. They're actually going to read your topic sentence that you wrote on page 19. And you're going to talk to them about it. You're going to try and convince them that your opinion matters, that they should listen to you. And you're going to try and convince them by giving them reasons. When you give them a reasons, write them down here. Take two that you feel like are the most important or the most that will convince your stuffy that whatever you're saying is the right opinion. And then write down your reasons in this box here. And then this box here is where this is our draft section. Okay. Go ahead and get